Hello guys, welcome back to our new video, and today we are going to learn another most important and most demanding topic inside Go High level, and that is appointment booking. Okay, for example, that the client likes your idea or the lead likes your campaigns or your services. So what the first thing happen is that the client and the business owner gets meet up. Okay, that meetup can be online, that meetup can be physical, but if we focus on online meetup, that is called online meeting. That can be via Meet, Google Meet, or that can be via you can say Zoom meeting. Okay, so what happened is that here, what will happen that GHL has its own calendar, and we will learn that how we can create calendar, and then using that calendar, how you can create booking links. Okay, for example, you have created you will share a single link to your client or inside an email, and the client will click on it and he will choose the date and then the time, and then he will confirm the appointment, and then you and your client both will receive the meeting links and the reminders, so that your lead cannot be get you can say distorted, or your lead cannot be destroyed. So what will happen here, we are going to do is that we will create an automation that will regularly reminds the client and you as well that you both have meetings on some specific day, on some specific time. And we will also learn that how we can create calendars and how we can create the automation for this, and how we can create a meeting links in here. Okay, so let's move towards GHL screen and let me show you that how we can do all this stuff. Okay guys, we are back in Go High level, and here you can, first of all, we need to create the calendars for booking an appointment. So I will simply move inside the calendars. After that, you have to move inside the calendar settings right here. I will simply click on it, and inside here we are going to create a new calendar for test, but for your own purpose you have to create a full proper calendar with proper settings. After that, you will simply click on new calendar, and here you can see personal booking, then round robin, then class booking, and then collective booking. So personal booking is that like one-to-one meetings. Round robin means if there are two team members in our team that deals with the appointment. So if first appointment came, it will assign to the member one, and if second appointment came at the same time, then it will assign to the member two. Class booking means there are multiple participants. Okay, and collective booking means there are multiple hosts, multiple team members, but our participant is one. So currently I'm going with personal booking. I will simply click on it and name it as class testing calendar. You have to remember this name. Okay, I will show you why. Okay, and then select team member. I assign it to myself. Okay, 30 minutes durations. It can also accept the payments as well. If I enable it, you can enter the amount, and if somebody wants to join the meeting, he first need to pay and then add inside the meeting. And let's confirm it, and our calendar will be created, and now it's time to configure it, and here is the link. I will simply copy it and will show you that. So what you need is to share this link to your leads to book an appointment. They will simply open it like this, and they will see the calendar like this, so they can book an appointment to the days. Like for example, I want to book an appointment on Monday. I will simply on 30 and then select the time from here, which is showing on the right pane. So actually the configuration is not complete, so it will only it is only showing me the time with limited times, and you can change the time zone as well. So currently it is, I think, Karachi, and I will simply click on 6 p.m. and then select it, and then I need to enter my name, my last name, my phone number, email, additional settings, and schedule a meeting. Okay, but first of all, let's configure the settings. And what that is, I think, class. Yes. So we simply click on edit, and after that you simply can upload the logo for which will be shown right here. And after that you need to enter name, then description, then widgets, and so on. So staff and location, so you can add multiple staffs here as well. Okay, and meeting location can be the Okay, let me add this one. Okay, yes, meeting location. So meeting location can be Zoom, Google Meet, and things like that. But first of all, you need to connect them. I mean, Zoom should be connected, Google Meet should be connected. So Google Meet is easy because it is Google verified and it will connect fastly. Like if you I add this, then it will simply very easy and automatically. But if I go to Zoom, so it will ask me to add further details. But for now, let's leave it for the custom, and here we can add further. After that, we need to add an availability. For that, I will simply click on edit the schedule, customer schedule for this calendar only. Okay, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. perfect, and we can set this time. I will simply click on save. Okay. One more thing that I need to edit here is the time zone should be this, and now let's click on save. Okay, and now let's check our appointment calendar, that whether this is updated or not. Let's refresh it, and now let's check. Yes, now it is starting from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., or I think it's 5 p.m. Yes, 4:30 is the last option. Okay, perfect. Our calendar is in working condition, and I think this is all what we need. Okay, you can review these limitations and settings as well to move further. After that, you need to create a workflow. Okay, and let me create a workflow for me so that if somebody books an appointment using this link, I will get notified, my team will get notified, or that customer will also get notified that your appointment has been booked on some date, on some time. Okay, for that we need to create a workflow. I will simply create a workflow, create from scratch, and after that we need to trigger, and till it loads, guess the trigger. What should be the trigger for capturing the appointments? Okay, so I name it booking test reminders because we are reminding our customers as well that your appointment has been booked, and before our meeting we send them as a reminders that after 15 minutes you have a meeting, after 30 minutes you have a meeting, after 2 days you will have meeting, things like that. Okay, I will simply add a trigger, and trigger is customer booked an appointment. After that I will select the calendar, and calendar is last booking because we are using this calendar to for booking or for appointments. After that we need to send an email to that client so that he will get notified that his appointment has been confirmed and booked. Okay, and if somebody books an appointment on a slot, for example 8 a.m., then that slot will be booked for that specific calendar. No other customer will be allowed to book an appointment on that slot. Okay, so these small informations are very important for you guys to understand. Okay, so your appointment has been booked. After that, you can add any type of mail, but in this email, you need to mention things like appointment and start date and end date. Then also the link for the cancellation if the customer want to cancel the appointment, and also rescheduling. Okay, these links are very important inside the automation because if the customer wants to reschedule or cancel it, it will be easy for him to do. And then we need to send an internal notification to our team as well so that he will be notified that somebody books an appointment. Okay, it's an email, and then from Oxygen Media, from it can be the assigned user, then you lead booked appointment, and here you can add multiple information, but here for the internal lead you need to add a customer detail for like full name, then it's email, then it's his phone number and address as well, maybe according to the requirement. Okay, this all done. So this is these settings till now will show or will remind our clients and our team members that your appointment has been booked on some specific day if they book an appointment using this, like, okay. After this, what will happen? What should we do is we need to wait. If the customer book an appointment, for example, on 31st, okay, 31st at 8 a.m. Okay, you need to remember 31st at 8 a.m. So what will happen is that we need to add wait, and for wait we need to here change it to appointment time, and we need to remind the customer 2 days before, so that he must be able to know that he has an appointment after 2 days. Okay, so we can simply copy this email, copy action, and simply paste it here. So this is all good, but you can edit the email inside the content of this email. This one you can edit this, okay, if you want, but simply this is okay. We also need to remind our internal team members as well. After that, it is before 2 days, but we also need to remember or remind them before 15 minutes, before 1 hour. So for that, I simply copy all actions from here, but actions are get copied, but we are unable to paste it. But okay, yes, we are unable to paste it. So what we will do is we need to copy turn by turn, and we will paste them like this. Paste it here. So now this weight is, let me rename it so that you guys can 2 days before. It's easy for you guys to remember. And then this weight is can be 30 minutes before, or it can be 1 hour before. Then we can add another weight which tells the customer 15 minutes before. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. We need to edit the time as well. From here, 30 minutes. Okay. 30 minutes before, and after that, we need to add these emails again. Both emails, so both the team and the lead both get notification that they have an email, they have a meeting after 30 minutes. So this is all. Okay, this is all the settings related to the bookings and appointments and reminders. So now we can use this and we can get the emails. Okay, and if we want to test it out, let's select this, and then full name is Muhammad. Okay, let's use this, and it can be 111. Okay, I confirm this thing, and whether, let's check that whether before we need to publish this as well. If we want to make this workflow workable, we need to publish it first. Okay, and after that I will simply schedule meeting. For this, I have to receive an email. Okay, here you can see Google Calendar link has been generated, and I will simply click on it, and it will make me to Google Meet. And I think I receive an email, and let me show you that what email I received when I booked an appointment as a lead. Okay, let us open our Gmail, and let me show you what notification I received from Go High Level. Yes, here you can see that your Zoom link for upcoming appointment. So you have booked an appointment, and you have to click on this link to join the meeting, or like that. Okay. So this is all done, and our meeting is in working condition. Our links are in working condition. So this is all from my side, and let's meet you in our next coming video for that. Till that, have a nice day, have a nice journey. Thank you. Bye bye.